Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olamide. I know that you're surprised. See me all made up today, and that's because okay, first off, let me introduce my subscribers. Let me welcome my subscribers rather. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. This is me, this is I, Lami. And if you're an OG, thank you for always watching my videos. So I'm starting a new series today. Not a new series, but a new set of videos, like wedding videos, and that's because I'm getting married. And today is my photo shoot in London. I don't know, I'm filming this on the 2nd of July. I don't know what people are going to say, but anyway, let me just record it now. So I'm currently going to somewhere around Tower Bridge to take my first photo shoot here in the UK before I go to Nigeria to take the remaining pictures. Hey baby, meet my husband. finally. What do you say? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super pumped.
Super pumped for what?
For the photo shoot.
Why are you super pumped?
That should be fun. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, we're going out soon. I just said to introduce myself and my husband to be. Yeah, I'm sure that you've seen him before, but I've not seen or done any proper introduction. Yeah, so that's about it. I'll take you guys along. See you soon. I'm recording for my YouTube. I don't know when they will see this video. Maybe 1st of August. But anyway, we're going. Amola is my videographer for today. This is my videographer for today.
And hype woman.
And hype.
I like to hype because I'm a love person. I love, so I'm ready to hype. Let's take my pictures.
Oh God, you. That's what I told all my friends. That all of you should better keep on your energy.
It's okay.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart. What is it that you do?
Okay, yeah.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Hi guys. So I'm dressed because my friends just called me and said, dress up. Okay. Like the queen that I am, I obeyed. So I don't know where they're taking me to, but they're on their way. And I'll carry you guys along. I'll show you guys what's happening. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm excited because I'll dress my dissertation. I'm trying to complete my literature review, which I think will be quite impossible, but I'm trying my best to complete it before the big day. So yeah, anyway, I'm sure excited that I'm taking a break from my work. I'll see you guys. I think baby, help me. My friends, they carry me go where I don't know. Okay, now I know. They want to make me, they want to put me through pain, guys. They're taking me to go and do what? Waxing and sugaring. Everything they call them. They want to remove my hair on my body by force.
No, sugar you.
Oh my God, it should be fun.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Oh my God, this is about to be an experience.
Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now. I was waiting for the summer to end.
So,
Courtesy of the girls, I brought you lingerie shopping.
Okay, say it.
Nothing sane. Courtesy of the girls, I brought you lingerie shopping. Nothing sane. Hot, steaming, sexy.
O'Shea.
Nothing more.
This is X-rated. Please, if you're not up to 18, please fast forward.
We're going the whole route.
Shut up. Something that was different. Mummy, see your skin. It looks like you rubbed. Oh my god. I'm not even joking. Like you rubbed one Fenty Beauty foundation on your face. Anyway, see my sponsors for today. And some other people behind the scenes are not here. My lovely friends. Oh, my, it feels good to be a bride. I'm going to bask in all the love. It feels so good.
Hello. So we're going to the airport today. Heading to Nigeria. We're going to get married.
What? Mama was?
Married.
Mama don't.
Well,
Please, stop
she's washing plates now.
I'm washing my last plate of the single woman.
Well, wash it well. Okay?
This man wants me to wash his plates when he married.
No. Now, Alagbafo will carry that.
That one.
Alagbafo.
I mean,
Yeah, so, yeah, we should leave in like 30 minutes, give or take, I think. Maybe less. But, yeah, we'll carry you guys along.
how do you feel?
It's exciting. I mean, today has been a very wonderful day.
You, how do you feel?
I'm excited to go to Nigeria, actually.
Yeah, let's be in Nigeria. Yeah, let's get married. Then I'll go wrong.
Excited to go to Nigeria first because I need to get married in Nigeria. So I'm excited to go to Nigeria and I'm excited to get married. Yeah, to get married to the love of my life. Are you the love of my life?
Ask yourself.
Okay, yeah. I think she's the one. All right. So see ya. Speak soon again.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you for a safe trip. Thank you for the testimonies. Thank you for a great wedding. Thank you for protection, for provision, for everything that we have prayed for. We give you thanks. And all glory be ascribed unto you by the end of the celebration.
Amen.
I'll see you guys in Nigeria. Where's the bag? As I brought to the UK. Where's the bag? Now I'm taking it back. I don't hope that my sister will not obtain this for me. So guys, I'm going to we're done with our boarding and we've checked in our bags and we've gone through security, so we're just chilling. But I'm looking to see if I can get foundation because one I have is a bit lighter, so, and the one that I always mix it with, the dark one, is I don't know, is oxidizing, so I want to get another foundation. So I'm seeing this Max store now. So we just stopped to get coffee. We didn't stop to get, we're waiting. And this cake. Wow, my man. Say hi, baby. Wow. Anyway. This is like Cobalt. Maybe window seat gang. It's like doing
Well, ladies and gentlemen, just want to show you a short safety information video explaining the safety equipment and procedures for this particular aircraft. You may have flown on one of our aircraft already, but each one can be slightly different.
Hi guys. Okay, so we're in Nigeria now, and it's been one movement to another. Let me walk closer. By the way, this piece is from Beam Couture. I'll probably link a handle on the screen, but it's really beautiful. I like the fabric. Yeah, this is what I look like right now. This is what it looks like. Anyway, so we've just been going around to test our clothes, and yeah, just testing, greeting family, trying to fit and all. Yeah, and it's been stressful because coming from one end of Lagos to another end, it's a lot. But today I need to my photo shoot is tomorrow, so I need to go and make my hair, and I also need to test my wedding gown today. I should have tested it yesterday, but the person cancelled, so I have to go today. Anyway, I'm liking how I'm looking, and I will take you guys along with me to make my hair, of course, and test my wedding gown. I'm trying to vlog a lot. It's not easy, to be honest, because sometimes you're not even in the mood to carry anything. Like, I don't carry a camera, I don't carry anything. I just want the day to pass. But yeah, that's it, Sha. I will see you guys soon. Okay? Why you acting like a mice? Correct vlog. Oh yeah, talk. This is the talkative for today. Speak out, man. You don't want them. They need to hear you. Hello, everybody. We are at the bread of store.
See how to do. You can even put music over it. Go.
But I have it. Noise. I try to remove this thing. This noise. Hello everybody, today is my introduction. This is my friend Ayla.
See Moi. See Bukola. Bimpe is coming. Bimpe is coming.
Yeah.
First time.
Yep. First of all, so introduction done, course wedding done as well, but I didn't vlog that. I hope you've been enjoying my vlogs. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is also fun, so turn on your post notifications and all of those good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.